Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a book or a document in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the search button and just search for a random book. Then scroll down, and if you see that it's available in either a document or a book form, then just click on that. And then here you can see in the middle of the page the save button, and just click on that, and you can find all your saved documents and books under the saved button on the bottom of the page. So just click on that, and here you will see your saved book. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.